In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products with Hostinger Website Builder. If you want to sell things like ebooks, templates, downloads, or other digital files directly from your site, this is a simple way to get started without needing a complicated setup. We'll go from creating the store, to adding your product, to setting up payments, and publishing everything live. One important detail to keep in mind is that digital products have file size limits. So if your download is larger than expected, there's a built-in workaround I'll show you as we go. To begin, log into your Hostinger account and open your website editor. Once you're inside the editor, look for the shopping cart icon in the sidebar. Clicking that will let you add an online store to your site. If you're starting from scratch and using the AI builder instead, you can simply tell it that you want to sell digital products, and it will help generate a store setup for you. After the store is added, switch from the regular website builder view over to Manage Store. That's where the product and payment settings are handled. Next, head to the product section and click Add Product. When prompted for the product type, choose Digital Product. This is important because it enables the delivery options that are meant for downloadable items instead of physical shipping. From there, fill in the product details, including the title, subtitle, and description. Try to make these clear and benefit focused so customers immediately understand what they're getting. If you want help writing that copy, you can use Hostinger's built-in AI writer tool to speed things up. After that, set your pricing. Make sure the price matches the value of the product and double check everything before moving on. Then upload your files. You can add up to 10 files with a maximum total size of 100 megabytes per product. If your files are too large, this is the workaround I mentioned at the start. Instead of uploading everything directly, you can provide an external download link for larger files. That helps you still deliver the product smoothly without running into the built-in file limit. Once your product is ready, save it, then go back and update your website layout so the item actually appears on the storefront. This part is easy to overlook, so make sure your visitors can clearly see and access the product page. Finally, open the payment section in your store manager. Enable a secure payment gateway, such as Stripe or PayPal, then follow the prompts to connect your accounts. After that, preview your site and test the checkout flow to make sure everything works correctly from the customer's perspective. When you're happy with it, click Publish to make your digital store live.